The key to my heart.
Hindi namin talaga malalaman kung wala talaga something lang sa Dubai.
Ay nako, nagchismisa na naman. Nagsama-sama.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Wala. Favorite ng mga bata yan eh. Oh my gosh, he finally got tired. Look at him. Now he's ready to sleep.
Oh, yes. Ano yan? Rechargeable battery yan, Michelle. Ayan na si Buntis.
Love ko to eh. Ha?
Oo
Babae.
naman. Love na love ko yan eh. Oh.
I thought am I gonna have the cake now? I'm going to wake Aaron up. He has to wake up.
Sabi niya, I'm gonna leave when the cake is going to be cut, Mommy.
Yeah. Hi, Francois.
Where's my watch?
I don't know.
You want to go somewhere?
Hello. Hi. How is it going? Siyempre dito, ang mga chismisan dito, puro mga pampiloto to. Flying, approach, landing, take off.
Wala na ibang pinag-uusapan.
Take off, landing, approach.
3 guys again. Are you on the approach again?
Take off, landing, approach.
It doesn't matter. You put the 3 of you together. It's always like this and that. You don't even listen to what the conversation about.
Hi Idris, how are you? Nice to see you again. You got nice pictures in New York, huh?
Yeah, nice.
Sige, i-join ko kayo soon, ha? Una ko lang ng video.
Video ba yan?
Sophia's little friend.
Yeah, Sophia's little girlfriend. Yeah. I-video mo nga ako. Sophia's little girlfriend. Sophia's little girlfriend.
Saan? Video ba yan? Oh. Yes. Oh. And then, ayan. Oh. Ako, hindi mo ako binidyo. Masyadong close up.
Zoom in.
Hey, Sophie! How's it going?
She's ignoring Daddy. Looking at everybody. She likes people watching.
Ay! I'm scared! Siya pala pumunta talaga. I'm scared. Sexy.
May lola mo. Hello.
So how's the birthday for you?